Hello and welcome to Developerzone. Today we're going to talk about 5 Python libraries that every data scientist should know about. These libraries are incredibly useful for various aspects of data science, from tracking experiments to deploying models. Let's dive in. If you're at the beginner or intermediate level, you've likely already chosen your preferred machine learning library, such as PyTorch or TensorFlow. You've mastered selecting the right architecture for your models, can train them effectively, and solve real-world problems. Let's start with MLflow, a fantastic tool for tracking experiments and managing models in your machine learning projects. Imagine you're working on a new model, trying out different hyperparameters, and experimenting with various architectures. MLflow allows you to easily keep track of all these experiments. You can log your parameters, metrics, and artifacts, making it easy to compare different models' performance. Helps you keep organized, but also allows you to reproduce and iterate on your experiments, ensuring you're always improving your models. Streamlit is the most popular front-end framework for data science. It is an open-source Python framework. It allows users to create interactive data apps rapidly and with ease, making it particularly beneficial for data scientists and machine learning engineers who may not have extensive web development knowledge. With Streamlit, developers can build and share attractive user interfaces and deploy models without requiring in-depth front-end experience or knowledge. The framework is free, all Python, and open source, enabling the creation of shareable web apps in minutes. Once you've trained and validated your model, you need to deploy it so that it can be used by other applications. This is where Fast API comes in. It's a high-performance web framework for building RESTful APIs. It's known for its simplicity, ease of use, and speed. This makes it an ideal choice for deploying machine learning models to production. Here are some of the reasons why ML engineers and data scientists should learn Fast API. 1. Speed. It's incredibly fast. Simplicity. It's easy to learn and use. Fry production. Ready. It's designed for production use. In conclusion, it's a powerful and versatile tool that can be used to deploy machine learning models to production. Next, XGBoost is a library that every data scientist should have in their toolkit. XGBoost is an optimized implementation of gradient boosting designed for speed and performance. It's great for predicting tabular data and is often used in machine learning competitions for its accuracy and efficiency. Last but not least, we have ELI5. ELI5 is a library that helps make your machine learning models more interpretable and transparent. With ELI5, you can easily explain how your models make predictions, making it easier to understand and trust your model's results. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more content on data science, programming tips, and career advice. Your support means the world to us.